What if I told you that you could take up space in a man's mind rent-free without playing games, chasing, or acting like someone you're not? Today, I'm revealing psychological and subconscious techniques that will make any man think about you 24/7, and he won't even know why. And trust me, tip 5 is something no one talks about, but it works like magic. Men don't just think about women randomly. There's a reason certain people stick in their minds like an unforgettable melody while others fade away like background noise. And here's the truth. It's not about looks. It's about creating a unique mental and emotional imprint that triggers his subconscious and keeps him hooked. Think about it. Why do certain movies, songs, or even random memories from years ago still pop into your head? Because they left an imprint. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that effortlessly with any man. Let's get into it. 1. Give him a memory anchor. Have you ever heard a song and instantly thought about a specific person? That's because our brains link memories to sensory experiences, sound, scent, and even words. If you want a man to think about you all the time, attach yourself to something he encounters daily. Here's how you do it. Use a unique catchphrase, something playful that he'll associate only with you. Example, if you always say, "That's so us," when you laugh together, he'll start thinking of you whenever he hears that phrase. Wear a signature scent. Fragrance has a powerful effect on memory. If he always smells a certain perfume on you, he'll start associating that scent with you, even when he smells it on someone else. Introduce him to a special song. Next time you're together, casually say, "This is our song now." Whenever he hears it, his brain will instantly pull up thoughts of you. The goal is simple. Make him link everyday experiences to you. Before he even realizes it, he'll be hearing your voice, smelling your scent, and replaying your moments together in his mind 24/7. 2. Speak in emotional images. Words create emotions, but emotions create memories, and the brain holds onto memories that feel vivid and real. If you want a man to think about you constantly, don't just talk. Paint pictures in his mind. Most people speak in dry, logical statements. "I had a great day. That dinner was nice." Boring, forgettable, easily replaced. Instead, make your words spark emotions and activate his imagination. Here's how. Instead of "I had a great day," say, "I had the kind of day that felt like sitting on a beach with warm sunlight on my face." Instead of "This dinner was good," say, "This dinner felt like a warm hug after being out in the cold." Instead of "I love being around you," say, "Being with you feels like that moment when you hear your favorite song on the radio." When you speak in visual, sensory-rich language, he won't just hear you, he'll feel you. And feelings, they're impossible to forget. 3. Create a miss you moment before you leave. Most women focus on attraction when they're around a man. But the real magic happens when you're gone. If you leave like everyone else, just a casual goodbye, he moves on with his day. But if you leave with a lingering emotional hook, you stay on his mind. Instead of just saying, "See you later, try this," "I feel like something amazing is going to happen next time we see each other. I had the best time today, but I feel like we're just getting started. Next time we meet, remind me to tell you something crazy. It'll blow your mind." These statements do 2 powerful things. They create anticipation. He starts thinking about your next meeting before you're even gone. They leave an emotional imprint. Instead of your presence fading, it lingers like a song stuck in his head. And when a man associates you with excitement and mystery, he won't just think about you, he'll crave seeing you again. 4. The unfinished story effect. Have you ever watched a TV show that ends on a cliffhanger and you can't stop thinking about what happens next? That's because the brain hates unfinished business. It craves resolution. And guess what? You can use this same principle to make a man obsess over you. Instead of giving away everything in conversations, leave things a little open-ended. Here's how. Instead of responding with a full explanation, pause and tease him. "I have the funniest story, but I'll have to tell you later." When texting, don't finish the thought right away. You won't believe what happened today. But hold on, I'll text you in a bit. If you're on a date, drop a mystery comment. "There's something really interesting about you, but I can't quite put my finger on it." This technique creates mental tension. His brain wants to fill in the blanks, and as a result, he keeps replaying the conversation in his mind. 5. Use the reverse compliment technique. Game changer. Most compliments forgettable, generic, overused. You're handsome. He's heard that before. You're so confident. Boring. But a well-placed, unique compliment, that sticks. And one of the best ways to do this is with the reverse compliment technique, where you highlight a trait he doesn't even realize he has. Instead of, you're so confident, say, you have this way of making people feel safe around you. It's rare. Instead of, you're charming, say, you have a way of making people feel seen, and I don't think you even notice it. Instead of, you're funny, say, I love how you make people laugh in a way that feels effortless, not forced. This does 3 things. It makes him pause. He'll think, wait, why did she say that? It sticks in his mind because it's not a compliment he hears every day. It makes him associate you with deep emotional recognition, something that's rare and addictive. And guess what? The next time he experiences that trait, he'll think of you because you were the one who made him aware of it. 6, attach your presence to something he loves. A man's brain links emotions to experiences. And guess what? You can hack this to make him unconsciously think about you every single day. The secret? Attach yourself to something he already loves. This is how brands make us crave certain things, like associating a scent with a nostalgia or a song with a specific memory. You can do the same with you. Here's how it works. If he loves coffee, say playfully, every time you drink coffee, think of me. If he works out, tease, whenever you hit the gym, imagine me cheering you on. If he watches a certain show, mention, don't watch the next episode without me thinking of my reaction. If he wears a specific cologne, say, that scent reminds me of something. Now I'll always think of you when I smell it. The key here is subtle repetition. The more he experiences that thing, the more his mind connects it to you without him even realizing it. One day he'll be sipping coffee, thinking about you. Another day he'll be at the gym, imagining you. Before he knows it, you're in his thoughts 24/7. 7, the secret side of you reveal. Want to make a man completely obsessed with you? Make him feel like he knows a side of you that no one else does. Why does this work? Because people crave exclusivity. If he feels like he has access to a hidden version of you, it creates intimacy and deepens emotional attachment. What not to do? Don't overshare everything about yourself at once. Mystery isn't about withholding, it's about revealing the right things at the right time. What to do? Casually drop statements that make him feel special and trusted. Most people think I'm super outgoing, but with the right person, I'm actually really soft and affectionate. People always assume I'm confident, but deep down, I really value reassurance. I don't tell many people this, but when I was younger, I used to dream about. When you do this, you're creating a bond. He now sees a part of you that others don't. And psychologically, that makes you irreplaceable. Because once a man feels like he has a connection with a side of you that's exclusive to him, he won't want to let it go. If you do even 2 of these, he'll find himself thinking about you constantly. Which one are you excited to try first? Comment below. I'm reading every response. Now go make him think about you 24/7.